We moved here to the east from the center, from Orchard, because we really liked the feel here. We liked the fact that it was close to the beach. We liked the food in the area. We liked the casual aspect to it, but we also liked how close it was to the CBD.
What I love about this house is all the green space that it has around it. I love the park that's across the way. It's an extension of our home. We've had many kids' birthday parties here, and it feels like you're in a tree house when you're upstairs.
What I like about this is the owner has managed to retain the very traditional bungalow format, or the traditional bungalow style, and yet enhance it with a lot of modern touches. So when you first come in, what greets you is not a majestic building, but you can still feel that this is a home.
When I step inside the house, I feel welcoming, I feel warm, I feel the house is flooded with natural lights from all sides.
The technology between the old way of building and the new way of building, technology allows structural members to be lean and slender. What I like about the roof is that it expresses the material. The steel is a modern technological building material that allows large span, and sloping the roof backwards helps as well, because in the event of a heavy downpour, the curtain of water will not come down in the front.
The owner has creatively demarcated the front part of the house into two zones, which is the car porch, which can fit into 3 to 4 cars, and also the private swimming pool. It has water features divided these two areas, and you can barely see the swimming pool from outside.
Both the first and second floor have a lot of community space, a lot of family space. So the whole ground floor is like one big space, from the backyard to the pool in the front yard, through the very open living room and dining room. And we entertain a lot, so it's quite nice for that as well.
And the advantage of this house is that it's unblocked, and the greenery in front is so vast. There are so many options and possibilities for the rear garden.
When my children were young, I always would cook in the kitchen. The backyard was open and I could see them. I was able to watch them while I was cooking inside, which was a really good feeling. My favorite part of the house is the family room. It is where I go to just relax and enjoy a little bit of quiet time for myself, and where we also gather as our family.
And my perfect spot actually is the family area, because I'm looking out to the park. And if I like, I also can see the swimming pool from here as well.
The master bedroom has got this walk-in wardrobe and a very well-designed bathroom. What the owner has successfully done was to integrate a very beautiful bathroom extension at the rear. And the 2 bedrooms now are connected via the large new bathroom as well.
While landed properties has always been very rare in terms of proportion of the houses in Singapore, now the detached houses or bungalows are actually declining even further.
Katong, where the house is the most prime locations as compared to other parts, because it is lower in density. It is actually zoned under a 2-story bungalow. When we talk about low density, it's also lower in supply. The owners here have stayed for generations and they are reluctant to sell.
Like most things in life, rarity always creates demand, and demand always drives value. And this is very evident, I think, in the prices of detached houses that we see, not just in the District 15, but the whole of Singapore. I think due to the very unique and flexible layout and design of the entire space within the house, whether you are a downsizer who are staying in a much larger bungalow or good class bungalow, who wants to have a bungalow status and yet to have a more cozy feeling, this house is going to appeal to really many different family types.
I don't really think you can find another house like this in Singapore. The openness, the warmth, and I think it'd be really, really difficult for us to find something of this size to replace this house.
We have put a lot of love into our house, and a lot of details were carefully planned by us, and we hope that the next family who takes the house will enjoy it as much as we do and continue to put in the love that we have.